Welcome back to another video, guys. So, me and Jo got invited, Just Jo Nail Addict got invited to join in with a collab where we all made each other a gift out of resin. A couple of the other girls pulled out, they couldn't do it, personal reasons, doesn't matter why, but they said for me and Jo to just crack on, carry on and do it. So yeah, me and Jo have made each other a gift out of resin. Just a bit of a disclaimer, this is the first time that I had ever used resin, just saying, but mine turned out alright actually. I will leave Jo's video pinned in my comments so you can go over to Jo's channel and see what I made for her. Also, I've got a video on my channel, I actually recorded me making this gift for Jo. So there's a couple of different videos for you to watch there. You can watch us making the actual gift, and then you can watch us after we've sent each other the gift. So this is my gift that Jo's made for me out of resin, and it just says on the side here, open here, this way up, just cut these 2 tabs and lift. So I'm going to cut these 2 tabs and lift and we will see. This way up. So does she mean this way up or this way up? I don't know. Cut these 2 tabs and lift. It's not lifting though. Lift what? Oh, lift the whole thing. Right, I think. Is that upside down? Open here. Jo, that's Is it upside down? I don't know. I feel like it's upside down if I do it this way. Oh, I'm just going to do it. Just going to do it. Oh, what is it? It's got Oh, it's a clock. Oh my god, it's a clock. She has made a clock out of resin. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's an actual clock. Wow. Look at that, guys. It's an actual clock. Wow. Right, let me put these battery in. That is so cool. And let's see if it works. Right, what time is it? Time is it, Mr. Wolf? Just left 6 o'clock. Right, is this the right way? Why can I not get it in? Because I'm doing it wrong way, dickhead. Right, it's just left 6 o'clock. Oh, do I do it? Right, I'm going to have to keep turning it, actually. Quicker if I do it that way, won't it? Oh my gosh, I can't believe she's made me a clock. Right, so it's just left 6 o'clock, so it's about there. It's working, look. Look. Oh, I can't believe it. How the hell has she got those numbers a different colour to the background? Because I would assume that was just one mould. Wow, I'm so impressed. I am so impressed. Look at the colours on the back of that. Wow, I am so impressed. I absolutely love it. Now I feel a bit embarrassed for what I've sent her. No, I'm not. Do you know something? The gift I sent her, I'm really proud of. So, yeah, go over to Jo's and see the gift that I made her. And you can also watch on Jo's channel and my channel the video of us making that gift. Mine was a real struggle. A few giggles in there. Quite a long one, but yeah. Yeah, go over and watch how we made them. I can't wait to see how she made this. That is amazing. Wow, I love it. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow. I'm going to put that on my wall right above my desk because that is amazing. I love it. Right, guys, just a bit of a quick video, I know, but there's nothing else I can say other than, oh my gosh. I absolutely love it. But yeah, please go over and see the gift that I made Jo and watch how we made them. Mine is in 2 parts. The first part is me making it because it was really long and I really struggled big time. And part 2 is just a quick one where I took it, or should I say tried to take it out the mould. Couldn't get mine out the mould. It's quite funny actually. But yeah, I'll leave the videos linked below so you don't have to go searching. But yeah, I absolutely love that. I think that is amazing. I do. I think that is amazing. Anyway, guys, that's going to be it for today. Just a quick one to show you my resin gift. I love it. I absolutely love it. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Remember to hit that little bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.
I'm not missing you.